In this video, I will show you how to change permalink in WordPress website, and I will also tell you what is the right structure for SEO-friendly permalink. So first of all, log into your WordPress dashboard, and then go to Settings tab, and click on Permalinks. Now, here you can change permalink structure as you wish. This is by default structure. This permalink structure are not human and SEO friendly, because this link not added post name, so nobody can understand and remember these type of links. Second and third structure are added post publish date, so whenever the post got older, then people avoid to read the post. Numeric structure are helpful when you are on video community sharing site. Post name structure are best for SEO friendly. We recommend you to use this structure. This structure are optimized for Google search engine, and also user friendly. If you want to make advanced permalink structure, then you can use custom structure. This type structure is using by social networking site, article sharing site. If you want to show category in your post permalink, then select custom structure, and then first add category, and then add post name. This is also SEO-friendly permalink. If you have blog sharing site, and want to show author name in your permalink, then add author tab, and then add post name. As most of the SEO experts recommend post name permalink structure, we also recommend you to use post name permalink structure. Once you select the structure, click on Save Changes. Now before changing the permalink structure, please keep in mind this point. If your website are new, or you just started your new website, then you can change your permalink structure. But once you change the structure, then don't change it again because it removed your old post permalink structure, and replace new one. And these changes removed your older permalink structure, so all older links removed from your website. And then whenever Google recrawl your site, then they find error like page not found. And this kind error affect your search engine rank. So once you change it, don't change it again and again. But in case if you want to change it, then use redirection for old links. You can use redirection link plugin. Thank you for watching this video. If you think this video helpful, then please like and share this video.